ตัวเนี้ย
We will now demonstrate how to use the replacement toner cartridge model number Brother tn450, which is compatible with Brother model MFC7460. Our first step is to gently shake the replacement toner cartridge. Then we remove the orange protective cover. Then we insert the cartridge into the carrier and snap it into place. Then we will take this tool and 2 or 3 times, and then be sure to return back and lock it into place. Then we insert the assembly into the printer and close the cover and make a test print. And here is our test print for the replacement toner cartridge, model number Brother tn450, which is compatible with Brother model FFC7460.